these next two examples are going to still ask us to write equations of lines, but now being parallel or perpendicular to a line that I give you. So write an equation in slope-intercept form for a line perpendicular to this line, but it has to go through the point 4, 0. Okay, so we remember that perpendicular lines, there's a relationship between their slopes. So if I give you this line, the slope of this line is -3. The perpendicular slope to that is going to be the opposite reciprocal. So instead of -3, it's going to become 1/3. So if the fraction changed sign. And I want it to go through the point 4, 0. When I'm all said and done, I want it in slope-intercept form. I don't know the y-intercept, so I'm going to use point-slope form. I'm going to use this one. We'll go ahead and plug in our information. So I've got y minus my y value equal to my new slope of 1/3 times the quantity x minus 4. I have to simplify this. On the left I just have y equal to, I'm going to distribute. So I've got 1/3 x minus 4/3. Okay, and there's my finished equation. The one on the bottom is dealing with parallel lines. So it says write an equation in slope-intercept form for a line parallel to that line, and it has to go through the point -3, 6. Well, just like before, we have to find our slope, but this time, since it's parallel, I know that parallel lines have exactly the same slope. So the slope of this line is -3/4, so equals -3/4, and I want it to go through the point -3, 6. I'm going to use that same form like I did up above and plug in my information. So we've got y minus 6 equal to -3/4 x minus negative, if you would like, but that's the same thing as plus, so I'm going to go plus 3. Okay, and then we have to distribute this. So we've got y minus 6 equal to -3/4 x minus 9/4. And then finally I have to add 6. So we've got y equals -3/4 x. I need common denominators again, so I'm going to go off to the side. -9/4 plus 6, which is over 1. I have to multiply top and bottom by 4. This one's going to stay the same. Plus 24/4. Now I may add the numerators. When I add the numerators, it's going to give me 15/4. And there's the equation perpendicular, or parallel to the one that I gave you.